Hi, I'm Bob with Quilters Headquarters, and we're doing this video for Snowbird Lee, and this will help other people too. This is for the expression line of Pfaff's. If your thread cutter starts missing and doesn't cut, this is a way for you to clean the cutter and get it going again without having to take it into a shop. So here we go. It's real simple, won't take long at all. So all you do is go to here, get your tool that comes with the machine, your screwdriver. Here's your screwdriver. Pop that up. Lift this out. Lift this out. Pull out the bobbin case. Then you go over here to your cutter. You slide it over. Then you gently just lift the cutter up. And then you take your screwdriver, you'll go like this, and there'll probably be something all balled up in there, and just get it all out of there. Gently put your cutter back without ever touching it. Slide this back. And if it doesn't slide back for you, you can turn the machine on and off, it'll slide back. Then you put this back on, check it, make sure it's in properly. And then you put the retainer, the bobbin case retainer back on. Your needle plate, you put it in an angle like this. Don't touch your feed dogs. Push down your bobbin. And remember, it goes against the clock, emblem up. But make sure you hold it, snap it into place. Then you go around, put this on, cut it. And you're done. Now your cutter will start working again. Thanks for checking it out. Have a great day.